first unboxing video. I've never done one before. It's a bit different. It's not a new product. It's some tapestries that my grandmother made. And she was a very dear lady, a very smart, classy lady. And she lived from 1910 till 2009. And of course it's now 2021. So my auntie, who's getting a bit older, mind you, people don't get older. Every day is a gift, and some people just have more gifts. She's getting a bit older, she has a lot of gifts. She decided to basically pass on some of these tapestries. So I'm very excited. I hope that the glass hasn't broken, but I basically got one for each of my children, and there's one for my dad and one for us. So let's go. It only took 6 days from door to door as well, so that was pretty cool. And the best thing is I haven't even paid for the packaging, the shipping. So it might be on the house. I heard something a little bit rattling outside, so I'm expecting something to broken, but hopefully not too many. Came all the way from South Africa to our house in Australia through China or Hong Kong. So I think I know the ones that I've asked for. I'm hoping that these will become like a family heirloom for the children, and the idea is they can pass it on to their children and say it was their great grandmother who made this, and then obviously the next generation. So I'm planning to write something on the back because I think if something has a story, then it has more value. Not always money, but sentimental value. So if you know the story behind where something came from, you're more likely to keep it. So I hope my children appreciate it. Although we lived in different countries, I used to write to my grandmother quite often, over 23 years. And then her sort of eyesight started failing too much. And she came to Australia twice, and I went to visit there 3 times, so even though we were far apart, she was still my grandmother. And she was always ready for a joke or a story. And she's one of these people who made everyone feel special. I'm very excited to have some of her artwork. And my auntie said she packed it very well, and she did. So, just to try and make the video shorter, I'm going to get rougher with the packaging. So that's the first one. My oldest son has asked for that one. I've never tried a tapestry, I wouldn't have the patience. But my grandmother did a lot of them. Okay, and there's another one. That's for my youngest son. Grandma lived to 1 month shy of 99. And I sometimes wonder if things like tapestry is the reason for that. Because a lot of people, when they get older, they need something to do, and if they don't have something to do, they seem to pass on earlier. So keeping active seems to be a good thing in your old age. This one should be the same as that one. Let's see. My auntie WhatsApped me some photos, so that's why I think I know what I'm getting. It's not just a stage video, got better things to do. So that one's for my daughter. It should be the same. It's the same, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So that's 3 that are not damaged, that's good. It's like fighting an octopus. So there should be 3 more. And this one is for my second son. Egyptian theme. Quite a nice one. But to get anything out of Africa is a bonus, because a lot of things get stolen. And the same as we send stuff there. And that's half of the reason why I'm happy. Okay. That's the one from my dad. Very nice one. Now apparently it was one of Grandma's favourites. So it looks like, unfortunately, the one we've got is the one that's damaged with the glass. But that's okay. Okay, I'm not going to hold it up because the glass will fall out. But it's a nice tapestry either way. So it's got a nice violin and some musical stuff. Nice, you just have to get the glass fixed. So that is the end of my video. I'm pretty happy overall. Bye.